million million.
Okay, I got a scope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, yeah.
Time for the blue.
I don't know what's in the blue.
No, they don't know what's in the blue.
Well, I don't understand how I got a muzzleloader scope.
I didn't write that.
From Walmart. Why the fuck have I got a rock in here?
That's why it's so heavy.
The penis name book? What the fuck, honey?
Read the paper.
Okay. Did you put it in the box?
That's what you're getting when it gets here.
Oh, that's why I got my picture.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
That's why you got a rock and a book about penises. Because it's like, what's the rock
You
point?
really bought me this.
Yes, sir, I
Yes.
did. A .52 caliber night rifle.
And that's the scope for it.
And the girls got the scope for it.
And we got your rock. Yeah, that too.
And you got a pet rock.
And a penis book.